I'm Emily and I live in Pea Ridge. My life is super busy. As a nanny and a full-time mom, I am constantly going, I'm constantly doing something. And so I try to utilize Zipline as much as I can. Nothing can prepare you for being a mom, nothing can prepare you for being a parent. Even going out and just getting your child out the door alone is hard enough. Walker started to show these signs of COVID, so I took him to a doctor. We ended up finding out that he had COVID, and we weren't able to go anywhere, and we were stuck at home, and I really needed orange juice for him. I needed Pedialyte, and so I ordered everything that I needed from Zipline when he was sick, and I didn't have to leave my house. It took so much stress off of me, knowing that I could just stay here and I don't have to go anywhere and I can just rely on it. That was the best part about it. As soon as the doctor told me he had COVID, I was like, okay, I have Zipline. I can just order from Zipline, it'll be okay. I could just stay home. So it was really reassuring to know that I don't really have to go out. It is the most convenient way to get what we need fast. Isn't it crazy that one day my son's gonna be able to grow up and be like, yeah, we use the drone service all the time where we live.